The Confederation of Reboy People yesterday celebrated its Silver Jubilee at the Town Dorbar Auditorium Hall, Umsneng. Addressing the celebration as chief guest, Meghalaya Speaker Medba Lingdo lauded the Confederation of Reboy People for their achievements and also exhorted its leaders and members to work in unison for the betterment of the people in Reboy. The celebration was also attended by the legislators from Reboy, other well-known personalities of the district, and the leaders and members of the Confederation. It may be noted that the Confederation of Reboy People was formed in the year 1996 with the sole aim to serve for the betterment of people in Reboy district. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded